Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Peace be upon all of you. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and most merciful. Very warm greetings from the Lembaga Dakwah Islam Indonesia (LDII) or the Indonesia Institute of Islamic Dakwah. To begin, we would like to express our gratitude to the organizers of the third National Symposium for One Health Research and Practice for inviting the Indonesian Institute of Islamic Dakwah and our communities to this meaningful cross-nation and cultural discourse. Through this recorded presentation, we aim to provide, first, a brief introduction of who we are and our 8 areas of community services. Then, our perspective regarding health security based on our experience as part of the Indonesian community. And to share some of our best practices in Indonesia as part of our contribution to addressing the issue of health, food security, and environment. We hope our presentation sparks meaningful discussions and contributes to developing actionable solutions, frameworks, and strategies emerging from this event. Thank you. The Indonesian Institute of Islamic Dakwah is an Islamic community organization established in 1972, headquartered in Jakarta, Indonesia, with operations currently across all 38 provinces in Indonesia. We engage millions of Indonesian Muslims from diverse cultural, social, and professional backgrounds. Our mission is to deliver concrete contribution to Indonesia's national development through Islamic education and outreach or Islamic Dakwah, holistic application of Islamic teachings, human resource empowerment in general, as well as emphasis on women empowerment and younger generations. At the core of our current strategy is a focus on empowering our community on human resource development. We highly value opportunities for strategic collaboration to advance our professional capacities in education, science, technology, Sharia economic, health, and environmental stewardship. We build multi-stakeholders partnerships across government, civil society, and private sector to tackle national challenges through inclusive collaboration. Our approach bridges environmental protection, economic growth, and social equity with 8 pillars of action, which is national unity and civil engagement, religious outreach or dakwah and Islamic teachings, education in general, food security and sustainability, environmental health, Sharia economics, public health, renewable energy application, and information technology. Each pillar combines community-driven solution with cross-sector collaboration and focus on mutual benefits. From our experience, this framework transforms sustainable development commitments into tangible, interconnected results. LDII recognizes that a true health security encompasses physical, mental, and spiritual well-being. We view health security is deeply connected to the health of our ecosystem as well as all living beings. However, this delicate human-environment balance faces the growing threat from the triple planetary crisis in the Indonesian region, which is climate change, biodiversity, and pollution. At community level, this has intensified vulnerabilities to pandemic, malnutrition, and unsanitary living condition in our communities. Grounding our response in Islamic principles such as stewardship and collaboration, LDII firmly believe that education and cross-sector collaboration form the essential foundation for community health security. When the pandemic struck, multi-stakeholder cooperation proved essential for pandemic preparedness and community resilience. Across Indonesia, LDII mobilized grassroots action by establishing COVID-19 task force in mosque and Islamic boarding school or pesantren. These efforts leverage community trust to combat vaccine hesitancy, a critical challenge when early surveys showed only 65% vaccine acceptance in Indonesia. Our task forces implemented data-driven health education, promoting preventive measures like masking, distancing, and hand hygiene. This initiative united volunteers, medical professionals, and community leaders in collective action. In Indonesian terminology, we call it gotong royong. Demonstrating how religious, governmental, and civil sectors can work together for public health. In Central Java, we initiate grassroots sorghum cultivation program that addresses food security by promoting this drought-resistant crop. This project supported Indonesia's national plan to expand sorghum production. LDII collaborates with local farmers and field trainers to integrate traditional knowledge with modern agroecology, enhancing yields, and take part in boosting climate-resilient crops. This initiative mirrors broader efforts to reduce wheat imports amid global supply disruption due to geopolitical issues, as sorghum offers a viable alternative for food and potentially for biofuel. By fostering community-led farming networks, the organization exemplifies how faith-based organization can drive sustainable food systems, contributing to both local livelihoods and national food sovereignty. In environmental conservation, LDII's Islamic boarding school or pesantren have pioneered waste management program as part of character education, aligning with Indonesia's nation Green Pesantren movement. In Yogyakarta, LDII established a Proclaim Village, a climate village program, collaborating with the Kiai Peduli Sampah or religious leaders care for waste. Initiative to convert waste disposal habits into a reduce, reuse, recycle culture. This effort have diverted 3.5 tons of daily waste potential from pesantren and mosques. LDII's environmental leadership shines through figures like Ibu Erni Nandang. Her grassroots stewardship transformed community waste practices, earning recognition as one of the Global Recycling Hero 2025 in Indonesia. Her work embodies how Islamic environmental ethics can drive practical change, turning religious values into concrete ecological actions. We firmly believe that creating a healthier, more sustainable future cannot be soldered by any single entity. It is our collective responsibility. The Indonesian Institute of Islamic Dakwah steadfastly supports collaboration across all levels. As part of the global community, we uphold the shared understanding that human, animal, and environmental health are deeply interconnected. Safeguarding these health domains is a universal mission, one that transcends borders, belief, and generations. Through cross-faith, cross-national, and cross-cultural collaboration, we are building a healthier, more resilient planet for all. We hope this documentation of best practices provides valuable insight for this symposium. While recognizing our efforts remain limited, we warmly welcome further dialogue, potential collaboration, and partnership with all participants here today. Thank you for your attention and this opportunity. May we meet again in the future collaborative endeavors. Thank you very much. Jazakumullahu khairan. May Allah bless all of you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.